welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flower cutout trifold card. It looks like this. It opens like this. This card can be made for any occasion. Today we're making it for Valentine's Day. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make the base of your card and everything for the layers. All your measurements will be in the description box, and let's get started. You're going to score at 1.5 and 3. Then you're going to turn your paper, and by the way, this paper is 8 7/8 by 6, and you're going to score at 1.5 and 3. Then you're going to turn your paper this way and score at 1 1/4 and 4 3/4. I'm going to foil and burnish only on the vertical score lines. So you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it on the 1 2/3 score line this way. Turn it over so that this part is open and this part is folded, and we're going to center this in the middle here. So all we have to do is make sure that our flower has the same measurement here. So I'm working with 3/8 of an inch, and here same 3/8 of an inch. That's perfect. Now this is a partial die cut, so I'm going to turn this over. Make sure you see how it's over there, and I'm seeing some buttons, some dots. I'm going to hold it down and open this part and make sure I'm seeing dots when I turn it on this side. And I am, so you're going to go ahead and stick down this right now. I'm going to put this down here. Grab yourself some washi tape, preferably in a floral pattern. Right, that's perfect. Right, so you have it stuck down here. So the first side we're going to cut is this side, obviously. You're seeing the pieces here. If I turn it over, you're seeing the pieces here. It is absolutely perfect. So you're going to turn this way. Bring in our die cutting machine. So we're going to take our die like this. We're going to line up this line with this tapered edge here. And it's nice because it's white, so we can see it clearly. I'm going to take this and make my sandwich here exact on the other side. You're going to send it through your die cutting machine like this. Hold it down and run it through. And let's see how that cut. See how that cut perfect to the line here? This side. Let's try the other side. Let's cut it the same way. We're going to put our perfect. You see how that cut straight to the end and it didn't go over to this side of the paper. When you bend it, you're not seeing it going across. It cut perfect. Look at that. See? So let's open it. So it's time to take off the washi tape. Now you have your beautiful floral die cut. It's all cut out perfectly. It did not go across. We got a perfect partial die cut here, and a perfect cut on this side as well. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your metal ruler and your X-Acto knife, and let me show you where you're cutting. You're cutting along this line from here to here, from here to here, along this score line. Let's do that now. And to fold it, you're going to fold this part up, so, and this part down, so, and so. So you have your trifold card. Right. let's decorate this card. We've already cut out all our parts for all the areas. That's perfect. Now I use various dies in the same set to cut out a gorgeous center for a card. So we have a little pop of color here. We will cut off some of the sides of this one so that it wouldn't harass the folding of the card, but we're going to put this together as well. So we're going to move this. And I designed this sentiment in Microsoft Word. The video is linked in the description. For the design for this card, we're going to do 3D hearts on the front. So there will be 3D hearts on the front here, and there'll just be a heart like this with smaller hearts on the inside. So we're going to do that now. To make our 3D heart, I've cut strips of soft paper, so this is not cardstock, 1/4 inch by just about 5 inches, and I'm going to roll the flower. So I'm using my craft tweezer, holding one side, and I'm just rolling the flower, keeping the tweezer closed as I roll it, and you will see it's coming up. Holding it up here so that it rolls flat, and there you go. So if you roll this around a couple of times and then you let it go, it stays perfectly rolled. And this is one flower. So we made a whole bunch of rolled flowers, and then we're going to put them on this heart. It'll be so amazing. Take one flower and squeeze the bottom of it, and that one will fit at the base of your heart, and the rest of the flowers could stay as they are, and we're going to stick that down now. All of my flowers are escaping. The glue gun is hot, so I've protected the surface of my craft mat, and I am going to build this floral heart. I'm going to put a little dot of glue and then stick the base one down there. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue along the edge like this, and I'm going to start building. And this is so beautiful. So the other part of this card that we're going to design is we're going to put tiny little hearts all over this heart. So let's do that now. So I used this die cut. I have no idea where I got it from, but I used this die cut to cut out loads of little hearts here, and we're going to now design these hearts inside of here. Okay, so now we're going to bring back in our card, and this goes to the front of the card like this, and this goes to the back of the card like this. This card is actually modeled after this card. So it's perfectly, this just show you what you can do with the card, that it doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. This just says bloom where you're planted. Thanks so much for joining me while we made the flower cutout trifold card for Valentine's Day with all the details. Perfect. If you like this video, make sure and give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.